Welcome to JH. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on Axiom.trade to see what's actually going on with this self-proclaimed all-in-one crypto platform. It promises to let you trade, track markets, and earn rewards, which sounds absolutely lovely if you still believe in the tooth fairy. But many people are rightfully skeptical. So stay with me as we break down why this platform might be more of a sinking ship than a rocket to the moon. The first massive red flag is the total lack of transparency. There are no company names, no founders, and no faces behind the curtain. The website was privately registered in late 2024 and updated in 2025, yet the leadership remains more hidden than a billionaire's offshore tax haven. When an MLM-style company hides its owners, it's not for privacy. It's so there's no one to sue when the money disappears. Secondly, Axiom doesn't actually offer any real or retailable products. You can't buy a gadget or a subscription. The only thing you can do is recruit more people into the fold. If a company's primary product is just finding more warm bodies to hand over their cash, you aren't looking at a business. You're looking at a pyramid scheme with a digital facelift. Then we have the investment model, where they ask for your Solana and promise up to 15% yearly returns. Here's the kicker. They provide zero proof of how they actually generate that profit. There are no audits and no verifiable trading records, just a trust us, bro attitude that usually ends in tears. It's a bold strategy to ask for money without showing a single receipt, but I suppose audacity is free. The compensation plan is equally suspicious, focusing entirely on recruitment with ROI matching across 3 levels. They even claim you can boost your earnings by 500%, though they conveniently forget to explain how you actually qualify for that. It's a setup designed to turn you into a full-time recruiter for a service that doesn't exist. To top it all off, they've introduced something called Axiom points. They haven't explained what these points are worth or how they benefit anyone, which really adds a nice touch of unprofessional mystery to the whole ordeal. Nothing says stable financial future, quite like being paid in imaginary tokens that have no defined value. So, is Axiom.trade legit? Based on the complete lack of transparency, the absence of products, and the heavy reliance on new recruits, it carries every classic symptom of a crypto Ponzi scheme. These setups always collapse eventually, and usually, the only thing investors are left with is a valuable lesson in skepticism. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates before you accidentally fund someone's private island.